Good morning from the pre-K yard. These moms are eating silage out of the trough quite vigorously. They have youngsters to take care of. God's word says that we are to live on His word, consume His word with vigor. Shall we consume His word, go to His word as vigorously as these ewes are eating? These lambs in this pasture are less than a day old. They lamb in the pastures and we bring them into a small pen, make sure the moms and babes are doing good for a period of about 12 hours, and then we kick them into here, which we call pre-K. From here they go out to a little bit larger pasture just beyond the fence there. That's kindergarten. And after a few days, they'll go on out to first grade. Consume God's word so you can give life to others.